Hello everyone, in this video we want to talk about today and now functions in the Excel. Today and now function are a simple function that just return the time of your operator system like Windows or Mac or something like that into the Excel, and you have to remember that that timing is just this time that shows you, for example, in the Windows in the right bottom of your Windows. So how we can have that? You just need to simply write today with open parentheses and the closed parentheses. We do not have any arguments for this function. Also for now function, just write the now function with open and closed parentheses and then place enter. As you can see, the today function just showing you the today date, and the now function also show you the time as well. These two values are just numbers in the Excel. If you change the formatting to the number, you can see these are just numbers, and as you can see, the today is just a number of days after the base date of the Excel, which is the year 1900, and with the 0.00, which means that it's the 12 a.m. of the today. And this one, the now function showing 0.56, which is the today time. 56 is the today time of your Excel. And if you, for example, change this to the custom format, just like years, month, day, hours, minutes, and second, you will see this is just the 12 a.m. exactly 12 a.m. and this one showing you the second as well. And if you do some operation in your Excel or do some jobs, or if you close and open your Excel, you will see these times will be updated, and these times will not be updated until you do something in the Excel. This is how these two functions works. Thanks for watching and goodbye. In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Diaco Ltd, and if you want to see our products, please visit our website diaco.co.uk.